जीवन अस्त कर दिए। ओम ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनं शलाकयाम् चक्षुर्मिलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीगुरुचन्द्राय श्रीसदाय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय वंशादुर्गस्य ज्ञानं कारुणिभो वैष्णवे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद पद्मों लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद वास्तुत रस समाज भक्ति राम कृष्ण गोस्वामी महाराज लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद वास्तुत रस अनंतपति तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद महाराज एवं समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा जैसा प्रणाम जितने परिमाण हो जाता और उतना ही परिमाण स्वरूप की आभास उपलब्धि होता है। एक स्वरूप की आभास उपलब्धि होता है। उस समय साधक भगवान के निकट व अपने ईश्वर जी के निकट वंदना करते हैं।
So Bhakti Vinod Thakur is describing here that when the sadhak got their own realization form at the Asakti Dasha. So we have heard in the previous shloka, in the last Pushpanjali shloka, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur is giving an example. So how Raghunath Das Goswami he did a bhajan on the mode of separation, and he was praying in the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani.
हे देवी श्रीमती राधिके
हे देवी श्रीमती राधिके,
समुद्र में
so I am suffering,
असहाय अवस्था में डूब रहा हूँ।
I'm drawing in the ocean of sorrow. Please send me send me your mercy's boat so that I can sit on that and I can take the shelter of your lotus feet.
इस प्रकार प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं।
So he is praying like this.
इस श्लोक में
In the previous shlok we have heard this.
श्रवण किया था। देवी शब्द की हमने श्रवण किया था।
We have heard about Devi Shabda, the word of Devi.
श्रीमती राधे को देवी का प्रति संबोधन कर रहे हैं।
So here he is expressing or saying Devi Shabda to Srimati Radhika.
देवी कही दत्तमाना परमा सुंदरी इंवा कृष्ण किरार वसती नगरी।
Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is explaining
देवी शब्द का अर्थ क्या होता है?
what is the meaning of Devi.
धातु विलास
Div Dhatu.
एक शिला आदि। यहाँ पर स्वयं कृष्ण
Who always full of love, who always play with Srimati Krishna always play with Srimati Radhika and used to do many kinds of leela with her.
देवी कही दत्तमाना परमा सुंदरी इंवा कृष्ण किरार वसती नगरी।
Yesterday I told you,
श्रीमती राधे की
Srimati Radhika.
सर्वांग
So Krishna is tasting.
बिहार भूमि का है।
Krishna is tasting every part of Srimati Radhika. The whole body of Srimati Radhika is the last movie of Krishna.
नवचंद्रमा से लेकर के इनकी सारी अंग
From toe to head,
यहाँ से मात्र की केस तक ही
even
मान कृष्ण के लिए
hair of the head. So it is the land of playing of Krishna.
और परमा सुंदरी
And she is so beautiful. She is talking. She is beautiful.
अत्यंत सुंदरी श्रीमती राधे।
She is so much beautiful.
जिनकी तुलना किसी वस्तु
So
से
we
साथ
cannot
नहीं
compare her to anything. It is we cannot compare.
इनकी तुलना में दे
If we do an example,
किसी अंगों के साथ कैसी तुलना की तो क्या मिलेगा? अधूरा।
it is if we give an example like, or if we compare her body parts from anything, so it is impossible and that will be incomplete.
कृष्ण के साथ मिल रही थी।
One day Srimati Radhika was meeting with Krishna.
अचानक श्रीमती राधे के मन में एक भावना हुई।
Suddenly Radhika ji thought, she got a feeling in
कृष्ण
her
के बोले
mind.
प्राण प्रियतम
She asked to Krishna,
मेरे
"Oh
को
Pran
सुंदर से
Priyatam,
वर्णन
please explain something about my beauty."
कोई अपने प्रशंसा आपने सुनना चाहते हैं?
Does anybody wants to listen her praising?
शास्त्रों में कहा
In the
जाता है
scriptures it is said,
कोई अपना प्रशंसा करे
nobody wants to hear anybody's praising.
पुण्य आदि
If somebody praising himself, then his all punya will destroy.
इसलिए आत्म प्रशंसा कभी
That's
करना
why
नहीं।
we should never do atma prashanga, the praising ourselves.
मैं विद्वान हूँ, मैं पंडित हूँ,
I am the scholar, I am pandit.
मेरे महिमा को सभी सुने।
So everybody listen my glory.
ये जो कहते हैं
So whatever it is
अपनी
said,
महिमा को जो कहते हैं
the person who said his glory himself, they are destroying their sin, punya, the good deeds. It is mentioned in the scripture.
आत्म प्रशंसा कभी करना नहीं चाहिए।
We shouldn't praise ourselves, never.
और आत्म प्रशंसा भी कभी सुना नहीं चाहिए।
And we shouldn't never hear the praise of
क्योंकि
art.
देखो प्रेम की रस क्रीड़ा में
But in the love,
एक बार राधा जी
Once Radha ji asked to Krishna,
श्याम सुंदर
"Oh Shyam Sundar,
मेरे
please
सौंदर्य
say something about my
मेरे
beauty.
अंग अंग आदि के कुछ
Say something about my parts of body."
यही है अप्राकृतिक जगत में
So this
प्रेम
is
विलास की एक विशेष
Vashishtha. So this is the party of in the transcendental world, that this is a kind of love. It is possible there. You cannot say here to anyone that please explain anything about myself, praise myself. And if I ask, then I will be shy. I will.
देखो अप्राकृतिक जगत
But in the Aprakrit, the transcendental world,
नील और पीला की एक विशेष वैशिष्ट्य
this is the Vashishtha of it.
स्वयं राधा जी कृष्ण के कहने लगे
Radhaji herself asked to Krishna, "Hey Pranpriyatam,
आप मेरे
please praise myself, something about my beauty."
कृष्ण बोले देखो
Krishna said, "Look, what should I say about your beauty?
कोई शब्द नहीं
I don't have any word to say.
वो तो केवल अनुभव के विषय है
It is just a feeling of realization. Sasam Veda Dasha. In Sanskrit it is said Sasam Veda Dasha. So this is a feeling of experience. We cannot express that, because in this world, whatever we are seeing in this world, so we can glorify the things with the same another things. We can compare it to another things. So if we compare any low things to the higher things, so it is happening in this world that we can compare here. Are you getting my point? If we compare in this world something towards anything, so if we are saying of the higher things, then we are making something lower, so that in that case we can compare. What is the meaning? So how Krishna can explain the beauty of her body parts when a sadhak is performing bhajan and sadhana? When he got in that stage, when will we go to September 7th and 8th Jaya, then I'll explain you. At that time, when Sadhak got the higher stage, so how can I explain when Sadhak says that I have expressed the beauty of the Krishna and I give the upama of the is material things? How the Krishna is Kamal Jasi? Kamal. Kamal. And Krishna is saying like Kamal Nayan. Eyes is saying like Kamal Nayana, lotus. Is it possible that Krishna's eye is like lotus? It is not the right upama. So lotus grow up and after some time it's destroyed. So is it the right comparability? We cannot compare Krishna's eye with lotus. Krishna's or every body part of Krishna, we cannot compare any parts of Krishna's to any material things. Is it possible to compare? Whatever you're saying in this world, it's all changeable. But in the transcendental world, everything is stable, always present there. In the transcendental world, everything is nitya. Everything is permanent there. Everything is permanent, present all the time. and it's getting new form always.
उसके उपमा नहीं दे सकते
We cannot compare that.
तथापि जो आचार्य
Still,
लोग देते
sometimes
हैं
Acharya Path gives some comparativity to another things just because the common people can understand that. Just like the kamal, the fragrance of the lotus, and the coldness, the komalta, the softness, and it's attractive. That's why we always compare something Krishna's eyes compare with lotus.
क्या ये तुलना ठीक हो
Is it the right comparability?
कहां किसने करे विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती
That's why Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying in Madhurya Kadambi,
कहां एक विशाल हिमालय पर्वत
where is a huge Himalaya,
कैसे तुलना दी एक
and I have compared,
चाना जैसा
and I just compare like a chickfish, and I compare that with a chickfish,
कहां विशाल
piece of chickfish.
और उनके साथ में तुलना दी एक चाना
So I'm comparing Himalaya with a chickfish piece. Is it possible that
अपूर्व बात है जिसके रूप के साथ किसी रूप के साथ तुलना नहीं होगा
we cannot compare anything from transcendental world in this material world? How is it possible?
जिसके समान भी वस्तु नहीं है
Where there is no comparable thing in this world,
वही कहां से है?
similar.
मतलब
There is no similar thing in this world like the transcendental world. So how we can compare here?
जिसके कोई समान तो है ही नहीं
There is nothing to equal, comparable.
और उसके अधिक कौन होगा
Then how possible that it can be higher?
तुलना कब दिया जाता है
When we can compare, when there is something like equal,
अच्छा तो 19
sometime like little bit higher and lower.
भगवान की अपराजित चीज जगत की वस्तु के साथ ये जड़ जगत की क्यों तुलना है
We cannot compare the transcendental thing in this material world.
उसमें सारा कहते हैं
That time at Sadhak that I have committed a offense,
एक काम
the tongue on me. That Krishna is so much beautiful, has a beautiful form.
नंबर लगान नए रूप में जो विभाग से
He is always newly and
अधिकतर
present.
वर्तमान
He is Sachidanand. He is always present and new, always new. That time Sadhak,
और अपने ये अपराधी मान करके बार-बार
that time Sadhak caused himself or fault himself, find fault in himself that I have committed offense. That Krishna's beauties I have compared with this material things. In this Madhurya Kandavali Granth, it is mentioning there.
चलो अभी मैं ये कथा क्या बोल रहा था एक दिन
राधा जी कृष्ण से बोली कि आप
रामचंद्र जी बोले
मेरी हे प्राण प्रियतम
मेरे कुछ सुंदर चीजें
please describe some beauty about my body parts.
श्यामचंद्र बोले
Shyamsundar said, hey Radhe,
मैं क्या बताऊं
what should I explain?
कोई शब्द ही है
I don't have words.
तुम्हारी सौंदर्य माधुर्य
How can I
वर्णन करने
explain
की
the
शक्ति
beauty of
है ही
yours? I don't have any
नहीं।
words.
राधा जी बोले
Still, Radha said, Pran Pritam, say something, say something.
एक के समय राधा जी
And at the same time, Krishna said,
क्या मैं वर्णन करूं
what should I explain? How to explain?
वर्णन कोई शब्द नहीं
I don't have words.
तथापि श्यामचंद्र कहने लगे देखो
Still, Shyamsundar said,
तुम्हारे सौंदर्य क्या है समुद्र के भांति
how should I explain your beauty?
तुम्हारी सब अद्भुत है
Your body and your saundara, the beautifulness is like ocean.
समुद्र के भांति मानो तुम्हारी ऐसे
Your form is like your
समुद्र में जैसे
your beauty is like the waves of ocean.
क्या बोलूं
How I explain?
इतने कहने के साथ साथ
And saying this,
राधा जी के क्या बोले
Radha Rani
मान
got man.
देखो आपने बोला हमारे को वर्णन करो आपने बोला ही नहीं
And she was saying herself that please explain my beauty. And when Krishna said that your beauty is like waves of ocean.
समुद्र के
Samudra.
इतनी शब्द
But
बोले
he just said like this, and Radharani got mad.
अब बोलने के साथ में राधा जी क्या हुई
And then the Krishna says this word, Radharani got mad.
ये बड़ी बात है राधा जी मान करके
Radharani got mad that time,
राधा जी रोना शुरू कर
and she started crying.
हैं? कृष्ण कहने लगे अरे
Krishna said,
क्या
Hare Prabhupada, what should I say? What I have said? I said something wrong.
बात करना नहीं है
Why don't you want to talk to me? She has turned his face into opposite direction.
राधा जी कृष्ण अनेक
Radha
प्रकार के
Radha ji tried, Krishna tried so many times efforts to praise her. And I haven't said anything. I am not saying. Should I say more? And she got angry. Radha said, "Stop." Krishna said, "Please say something." Radha said, "What should I say?" What you said? I'm just like I'm just like ocean water, and the house of ocean water it's salty. Arey, that's what I was saying. Your face is like moon, and you started the same thing that my face is like moon. The samudra ocean water is like salty. You have destroyed my vansha, the inheritance. Why did you say this word? That's why my father, from my father to brother, all are, you have make them insult. You have insulted them because the ocean water is salted. How you can say that? Radha ji got mad. Krishna was thinking then what should I do now? What to do? And what Krishna did? He went to the Sakis. It is not possible to get meat without Sakis, and asked to Saki that what should I do? And he prayed to Sakis and asked to Lalita Devi, and Lalita Devi said, "Okay, I will do something. I will arrange a meeting for you." And then Lalita Devi said to Krishna, he made a form of Krishna. It's a peacock form of Krishna. Krishna became peacock. And Lalita Vishaka, when Krishna became peacock, just while looking all of him, all the peacock gathered there. When Krishna became peacock, so every peacock, other peacocks thinking, so this is special peacock here has come on our house. It's not only one, there are many peacocks came beside to original peacock, the Krishna. At that time, Lalita and all the other Sakis asked to Radha, "Hey Radhe, look, there is a, please come out. There is a beautiful peacock is outside. Look there. What you can see there." When she, Radharani no pari. So when Radharani went outside and saw the peacock, and she was started crying that I haven't seen this kind of peacock in my life. Then and what the Sakis did that time? Sakis did time she she made Radharani peacock peahen too, lady peacock. Radharani. Sakis. And the Sakis make Radharani is the lady's peacock, lady peacock. These all are stories when we went to Morguti, Mangarh, Dalgarh, Vilasgarh. We heard here. This is the story of there. So I'm just giving a glimpse of that. So what I mean to say, so the Krishna's and Radha's beauty we cannot compare with the material things. And Sakis, what the Sakis did, then they started meeting of peacock and peahen, Radharani and Krishna. And you always meet with your Pran Priyatam with Govinda. So what should I do? What we should do? And we are suffering in this sorrowful ocean. Hey Radhe, please have upon mercy upon us. So please give us something. Please give a place in your lotus feet so that we can get into your mercy's Noka, the boat of mercy, and we can get on that and we can get the destination like your lotus feet. That's why we yesterday heard. So we all have heard yesterday. Now I'm going to start further. Then how you can get Manjari Bhav. How you have to be Akulit Vyakulit for getting Manjari Bhav. How you can do Manjari Bhav. That's our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Parikar, Roop Raghunath. Before Mahaprabhu, whoever devotees comes, they have explaining the Ras Madhurya, Vidyapati, Chandidas. There are many poets came. They explain so much on Ras Sahitya, Ras Madhurya. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Nitya Parikar, Roop Sanatana, Roop Raghunath, this is the speciality of them. They showed the speciality of them. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave all the powers in the heart of Rup Goswami, then he showed the Manjari Bhav. Before that, nobody was explaining any kind of Manjari Bhav before Mahaprabhu. As I said, Vidyapati Chandidas. If you read Padavali of Vidyapati Chandidas, you will love that. There is too much rust there. There is a Saki Bhav explaining in his Padavali. Chandidas Vidyapati. Even Jayadev Goswami also. We have heard the Jayadev Goswami Granth, Geet Govinda. There is Ras Madhurya is not lacking there. There is too much Ras Madhurya in that. But when Mahaprabhu's Parikar, Vishesh, especially Kripapatra Roop Goswami, in his Grantha, he explained the speciality of Manjari Bhav in his Granth.
वास्तव में मंजरी भाव
In
है
fact,
क्या
what
है?
is Manjari Bhav? What is Manjari Bhav?
ये महाप्रभु के पहले
Before Mahaprabhu,
जितने भी रस आचार्य आए वो व्याख्या नहीं किया,
whoever Rasacharya came here, they didn't explain all these things, the Manjari Bhav.
किंतु रूप गोस्वामी
But
पाद
when Rupa Goswami Pad,
कृपा की
who is the Kripa Patra of Mahaprabhu and who got the order of Mahaprabhu, according to him, he showed Manjari Bhav in Bhakti Rasama Sindhu Ujjal Neelmani. In the Bhakti Rasama Sindhu Ujjal Neelmani, he showed so many things.
भक्ति रसामृत सिंधु
In
में
Bhakti Rasama Sindhu,
शांत दास सत्व वात्सल्य
शांत दास साख्य वात्सल्य और माधुर्य,
सामान्य रूप में दर्शन कराया
he
है।
explained in a general form.
कि कोई माधुर्य रस
But
है,
the same Madhurya Ras
उन्होंने विस्तृत रूप में जब
explained again briefly in किसमें उज्जवल नीलमणि, in उज्जवल नीलमणि.
जो लोग माधुर्य रस की
who are the
रस माधुर्य रस
worshipper of Madhurya Ras, who would like to taste the Madhurya Ras of Braj Madhurya Ras,
वास्तव रूप में
they should have,
ये लोग ही जो उज्जवल नीलमणि ग्रंथ
they can understand the Ujjwal Neelmani Granth. They can follow the Ujjwal Neelmani.
सबकी रुचि नहीं है,
Nobody will take, no other person will take interest
क्योंकि
in Ujjwal Neelmani,
अधिकारी नहीं होने
because
पर
if they don't have adhikas,
उसके रुचि नहीं है।
they cannot get interest in that book.
ये विशिष्ट दिखा है।
This is the speciality showed in that book.
जिसमें अधिकार होता है,
Who have adhikar in that ras, they will attract towards that. They will get interest in there.
ऐसे होते
You got to know what I said.
और उसमें वो प्रवेश करते हैं,
So they enter in the same ras.
प्रवेश करते हैं। दीवारात्र उसी में वो
The day and night they always taste that ras.
इसलिए गोस्वामी पास इस
That's why Rupa Goswami Path in Ujjwal Neelmani,
जो माधुर्य रस
he showed so much Madhurya Ras,
माधुर्य रस
Braj Madhurya Ras.
अलग करके
He separately explained there,
सब लोग अधिकारी नहीं
because all the people are not have the same adhikar. Maybe they cannot understand and maybe they cannot get interest in there. That's why the person who will take interest, that's why he made this granth separately. That's why especially he made this granth for them, who has a Madhurya Bhav Ras, who would like to enter in the Madhurya Bhav.
ये विशेषता दिखाई
This is speciality showed in this granth
उसमें
and
सुंदर रूप में वर्णन भी
and explained there so nicely. Explain step by step. Nayak Prakran, Nayakra Prakri, Prem Prakran, Sakhi Prakran. Step by step bhav. He diverted the bhava, and he has given the so much beautiful explanation there. And he described everything there.
उत्तम कहाँ पर प्रकाशित हो सकता है?
So where the topmost bhav can be described, he showed there. Sneha मान प्रेम राग अनुराग भाव महाभाव रूढ़ मोहन अनुवादनाख्य महाभाव सर्वोत्तम. He showed there the topmost there. He described there. And Rupa Goswami Path explaining Ujjwal Neelmani. Graha Milan, separation, meeting, separation. He showed up. This is incredible Ras Madhurya. He showed the incredible Ras Madhurya there. Nobody, all the people doesn't get takes. But so the people who takes in something, they will read that. They will follow that. And they will drown himself on that thing. Some people take science, some commerce and some arts. And sometimes some people take other subjects. All the people cannot get the same taste. All the people don't have same mind and mood. In a school, college or university, it is shown there. So that's the same way Madhurya Bhav. Prakashta. So which is the topmost ras? The Madhurya Prakashta, Madhurya Ras. So it is showed
माधुर्य प्रेम
that is Madhurya Prem,
और भी उसमें जो है विशेष करके
especially
ब्रज पारकिया
and especially which is the Madhurya Bhav is topmost, the Braj Parkiya Bhav.
इस ग्रंथ की
In this Grantha, we should always read this Grantha. Who had interest, they always read,
अब जिसके रुचि
and who doesn't take interest, they don't read.
अनेकों प्रकार सब्जी बनाया कोई
They,
खीर खाते कोई खीर नहीं खाते
some people eat kheer or sweet rice. Some people doesn't eat it. Some people likes that. Some people doesn't like that. क्या?
सुक्ता बनाते हैं
Sukta.
तो पता है नहीं सुक्ता नहीं आती करेला की सब्जी बना
Okay. Some people eat karela. Karela. Some people like that. Somebody doesn't like that.
हैं रसगुल्ला मिठाई
Rasgulla, mithai, sweets.
अनेकों प्रकार
There are many kinds of things.
जो जैसी रुचि रखते हैं वो
So-
उसमें वो
So always person takes according to their taste. The person who likes, they take according to their taste. Some people like rasgulla, he will take rasgulla. Some people like kheer, they will take kheer. Some people like karela, they will take karela. So all the people will take according to their
तो
taste.
उसी प्रकार की मैं इसलिए कहा
In the same way, what I was saying,
देखो हमारे
Srila Rupa Goswami Pad
इसलिए उज्जवल में ग्रंथ में
in Ujjal Neelmani Grantha explains so beautifully
ब्रज पारकिया
the Brajparika Bhav.
कितने सुंदर
He explained the Brajparika Bhav in this Ujjal Neelmani Grantha very nicely, and as well as he explained, he has given so much example there of Sakya or Parkya Bhava. Everything is explained there, and he mentioned in the Bhajan Rahasya. Gurudev mentioned all the things in Bhajan Rahasya. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Prana Sakhi, Preshna Ki, Prana Preshna Sakhi, Sakhi Vibhajan. He always divided all the Sakhi Vibhajan there in Ujjal Neelmani Grantha.
नायक प्रकरण
Nayak Prakar, Nayika Vibhajan, how many kinds of Nayak,
हीरो हीरोइन
hero, heroine.
नायक नायिका की भाव दहना करके दिखाया
ये उज्जवल नीलमणि है, ये वाला उज्जवल नीलमणि है.
भाव करके दिखाया सुंदर
He has shown all the things in the dividation form. As earlier I said,
थोड़ा सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट दिग्दर्शन करना
I'm just giving you a glimpse.
सामान्य रूप में
Generally, I'm just telling you. You cannot understand in one day. You will get fainted. You will get so much.
आते रहो फिर काल से कहां
And you are coming here, then you stop coming here.
इतना रुचि हो जाना
If you will get taste, if you get interest, then you will understand.
बात कर ये सब
It is true.
इधर नायक कितने बताए
How many kinds of nayak?
सामान्य रूप में हम देखते
And generally we see
सखा चंद्र के हैं
Sakha Chandra,
सखा चंद्र चंद्रमा के
Shaka Chandrama ke nayak.
चंद्रमा बहुत दूर है
The Chandra is too far.
किंतु बालक माँ के बोलने लगे
But still, if a child says that where is the Chandra, there is the moon,
वो देखो वो बगीचा दिखाई आम के बगीचा दिखाई पड़े
then the mother will say that have you seen this alm tree, the mango tree?
क्या ही बात
So
वो चंद्रमा दिखाई
behind that the moon is there.
तो बालक से दिखाने लगे चंद्रमा
So just showing for the child.
आम के
So is it possible that the Chandrama is behind the mango tree? It's too much far. It's too much far. But still, for
भागवत के अनुसार महाराज बोल रहे थे
according to Bhagavad, Maharaj was saying
सूर्य लोक के पार करके तो चंद्र लोक
that Chandrama is far from Surya Lok.
कितने हजार मील दूर है
It's too much. How many miles away?
किंतु तथापि बालक के दिखाने के लिए क्या कहा जाता है
But it's
देखो बेटा वो जो बगीचा आम की बगीचा
for just make two child understand what she said. Look, child, that the Chandrama is behind the tree. And Balak said, oh yes, Mother, yes.
तो इसीलिए नए शास्त्र में कहा जाता
So
है
in the Nayak Shaka it is said, Shaka Chandrama ki bhati. According to the Shaka Chandrama,
दिखाया जाता है
it is showing there.
तो उसी प्रकार जो सामान्य रूप में
And generally, I am just telling you 1, 2, 3 words, and you will not understand. Still, remember a little bit.
नायक कितने प्रकार के होते हैं?
96.
96 प्रकार।
How many kinds of Nayak? 96.
और नायिका कितने
And
प्रकार?
360.
हैं?
360.
360।
And how many kinds of Naika? 360.
इसके हमारे क्वेश्चन पागल
And Rup Goswami Park explaining so much nicely.
पहले कहा जाता है क्या?
First here.
ब्रज है और मथुरा और द्वारका
Braj, Mathura and Dwarka.
है और ये तीनों की जो है ऐसे बनते पूर्णतम पूर्णतर और पूर्ण
3 is divided in the 3 degree. All is divided in 3 degree. Positive, comparative and superlative.
और मथुरा में
In Mathura,
पूर्णतर
in Dwarka it's Purna. In Mathura it is Purnatam. Purna, Purnatar. And in Vrindavan is Purnatam, the topmost. So this is, they are explaining the bhav like this. Dwarka, Mathura, and the topmost is Vrindavan.
फिर उसी के तीन कितने हो गए? तीन हो गए।
There are 3 kinds of, they have divided into 3
फिर
forms.
नायक की जो है
Then Nayak,
अनुकूल है अनुकूल नायक होता है।
Anukul, Nayak.
ये अनुकूल नायक काम करता है पूर्णतम
Where is Anukul Nayak? Purnatama,
वृंदावन
the topmost in Vrindavan.
ये भी ध्यान दिया
Where this Anukul Nayak is in the topmost form in Vrindavan.
ये ज्ञान दिखा दिया। फिर इसमें भी कर सकते हैं क्या? धीरोदात्त धीर लोई
Then
धीरोदात्त
it is saying Dhiro Datta, Dhirlani, Dhira Shanta,
फिर पति
then
उपपति
Pati, Upavati.
आगे विभाजन
They have divided according to mathematics.
फिर हम देखते हैं
Then we see,
दशकनिका
as I told, Vrindavan and Gokul, Gokul, Mathura, Dwarka,
द्वारका मथुरा
or Vrindavan. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bo.
और नायक के स्वभाव के अनुसार कर देते हैं
According to the Swabhav of Nayak,
धीरोदात्त धीर लोई
Dhiro Datta, Dhiro Lalit,
धीरोदात्त
Dhiro
धीर
Datta,
शांत
Dhira Shanta.
ये कितने हो गए?
4.
चार हो
These
गए
are 4 kinds.
फिर पूर्ण पूर्णतर
Purna,
पूर्णतम
Purna,
चार
Purnatam.
तीन 12 हो गया
And then it's 12 now.
है 12 हो गए है फिर कहते हैं पति उपपति
Pati, Upavati.
कितने हो गए?
14,
14 हो गए
14.
14 कैसे?
Pati,
दुगना
Upavati.
होगा ना
24.
आज 24 होना चाहिए चलो पहली बार सुन रहे कोई बात है? फिर क्या होता है? शॉर्ट दक्षिण और दृष्ट 4
Anukul, Chhat,
4
Dakshin.
गुना कर दो 24 4
96. Now it becomes 96.
3 into 4
3 into 4 is equal to 12 multiplied by 2, that is 24 multiplied by 4, it is 96.
मैथमेटिक्स हो गया ना मैथमेटिक्स
So it's a mathematics class now.
कितना तक याद रखना है?
But just you have to remember
गोकुल
Gokul, nahin,
मथुरा और द्वारका भाई 10 किलोमीटर
Dwarka, Mathura or Gokul. Gokul means Vrindavan here. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, 12 multiplied by 2 is 24, 24 multiplied by 4, that is 96. Wow, very nice.
धीर शांत धीर ललित होता है ये 4 होते हैं
These 4.
3 4 12 हो गए
And then
और फिर पति उपपति
Pati Upavati multiplied by
पति रूप में स्वीकार करते हैं,
Pati and Upapati.
उपपत्ति रूप में स्वीकार करते
Somebody accept like a husband and somebody like a Upapati, non-husband. That is double. 12 multiplied by 2, that is 24.
हैं। फिर अनुकूल सठ दक्षिण और
Then Anukul, Sat, Dakshin or
दृष्ट
Drishta.
हैं।
24 multiplied by 4, that is become 96. Very nice. Hari Bol.
इसलिए कितना हो गया
96.
26 इसलिए आगे की कथा बाद में बताएंगे।
Then I will explain the further story next time.
ये सर्वश्रेष्ठ नायक की नायक इधर कृष्ण होता है।
The topmost Nayak is Krishna.
धीर ललित नायक
So he is the Dhir Lalit Nayak.
एकमात्र
Sambhav.
वो दूर जाना
This quality is only, is in Krishna only.
कृष्ण नहीं कृष्ण की कार्य
It's
है
Dhir Lalit.
वो कृष्ण
Brajendandan. Brajendandan Shyam Sundar is called Dhir Lalit. So this quality is inside only the Krishnas. This kind of Nayak.
एक ललित नायक में जो सुना
Dhir Lalit Nayak, whatever the qualities of Dhir Lalit Nayak have, this is inside the Krishna only. So if I said all everything in one day, then you will be fainted and you won't come tomorrow. So you have to just remember one thing here. That just like our little sons, little child, we have to feed a little bit. If we feed him so much, then he will vomit there. So that's why I am. So if you remember a little bit mathematics, 3 into 4 into 2 into 4. Mathematics. Very nice. But you have to remember this little bit only. And then, and if you go to Nayika Prakar, mathematics, there are 360 kinds of Nayikas. I'm just giving a glimpse of Shakha Shadra. First is Swakiya and Prakiya. Married or unmarried. Who haven't married, still they have married with another person. Huh? They have got married with someone and getting love with someone. There are many kinds. I won't speak more. There is too much. There is too much label there. And one is Swakiya and the second is Parkiya. And then Mugdha, Magda, Pralagda. 12. Madhya is three times of Madhya, Pravalbha is 3 times, and Mugdha is one kind. One type is Mugdha. 7. Mugdha, Magda, Pralabdha. Oh my God. Swakiya, Parkiya, Mugdha, Magda, Pralabdha. One who has got married and second who had married but they are having affair with someone else. These are very nice ladies who loved someone and married someone, differently people. Mugdha, Magda, Pralabdha, 3. But there are Madhya is 3 प्रकार. 6. And Mugdha is 1, only 1. 7. Now it becomes 7. So दोनों 14. Now it becomes 14. And now there is one Now there one Vichar is here who doesn't got married, who is living in the parent house.
एक प्रकार की
So this is one kind.
इसलिए
People,
7
one
में
type.
छोड़ दो, एक कितना हो गया?
15,
15
15 now becomes it 15.
15 हो गया ना? फिर अष्टनायिका की कहानी।
And now it's Ashtanayika. There are 8 kinds of Nayikas. Now it becomes 120.
दूसरे के साथ मिलन
15 multiply 8.
कितना याद रखना? ये 15 8 कितने हो गया?
120. 120.
अष्टनायिका होते ना?
Now the Ashtanayikas.
ये अष्टसखी अष्टनायिका में ये भाव इसमें है।
Ashtasakhi Ashtanaika Bhav is there. Very nice.
अभिसारिका से लेकर के साधन वृत्तिका तक ये अष्टनायिका है। अभी केला पक्का केला खाने के लिए कष्ट होता है, दांत उठाई नहीं।
If you eat the raw banana, then if I explain so much, then you will not able to digest. You will not eat. Ashtanayika from Avisarika to Sadhan Vratika. There are 8 kinds of Nayikas. 120. Now then, Uttam, Madhyam, Kanishth Bhag. So, 120 divided by 3, it becomes 360. Madhyam, Uttam, Kanishth. Multiply 360. Now it becomes Bola Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. If you remember this, then you can remember everything. It's not easy. Huh? Sokya Parkya? Sokya Parkya? Parkya. Sokya Parkya. Magda Mugda Prakalva. पहले ले रहे हैं।
मद्दा कितने प्रकार के होते हैं?
2.
3 प्रकार के होते हैं।
हाँ मद्दा 3.
प्रगल्भा भी 3 प्रकार।
3 प्रकार.
तो 3 3 6 हो गया और मुग्धा एक।
मुग्धा is one kind.
जब भी पहले वाले मुग्धा को मुग्धा मद्दा प्रगल्भा।
मुग्धा मग्धा प्रकल्पा.
3 कहा है 3 प्रकार। किंतु हम पहले में विचार करें मुग्धा एक प्रकार की।
मुग्धा is one kind and magda and prakalpa 3.
और
3
और प्रगल्भा 3 प्रकार।
3 प्रकार।
तो इसलिए मैथमेटिक्स के अनुसार इसके का उत्तर 3 3 6 है। मद्दा 3 हो गया, प्रगल्भा 3 हो गया,
मुग्धा 1
1 हो गया। तो कितने हुआ?
14।
3 3 6 के 7 हो गया। और एक कौन सा है? बता बोलिए। कन्या।
कन्या. You know the Kanya? Who stays in parents' house? Kanya means the girls who lives with his parents, who is taking shelter and the guidance of their parents. But he has a beautiful feeling in the heart of her of Govind. One kind of Mugdha, one kind of Kanna, 3 kinds of Pragabdha or Magdata. And the 8 types of Naika, that is 120. And now वाह काली बजाओ हरी बोलो बोलो वृंदावन में हरिलाल की जय हरिलाल की जय 360 आप भूल जाओगे
ये मैंने लिखा था मार के बोल रहे बोल रहे अच्छा
ठीक है
जैसे भी बोल रहे प्रयास करते मुखस्त हो गया हां प्रयास करने ही अच्छा है सुनने के लिए मिल रहा है यही अच्छा है जन्मात्मा में जाकर के कहां
you know one
है और बोलने वाला मुखस्त नहीं करने फिर आगे जाके अनुभव भी और भी कठिन है आत्मचर्या समस्या स्वस्थ है ये काफी
You will take birth after birth, birth after birth. Shrutidhar who can understand only one time, just like me. But when you will do performing bhajan and sadhan, you will come to know everything. So I just tell you the first story. What I told you in Sakhi Prakan, I told you one word. Sakhi, there are 5 kinds of Sakhis. I am just describing a little bit. I'm just explaining you like other Shaka Chandrama. 5. There are 5 kinds of Sakhis. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Preshta Sakhi, Pran Preshta Sakhi. Now, Sakhi. First number is Sakhi. You know, Nitya Sakhi and Pran Sakhi, 2 number and 3 numbers. This is called Manjari. Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Pran Preshta Sakhi. So 2 number and 3 number. If you go to wise serial wise, Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, और 3 number नित्य सखी और प्राण प्रेष सखी. Then I will explain you later that why or not it's happening. I remember like this. 2 number or 3 number. Except Sakhi, first Sakhi is first number. Nitya Sakhi is Pran Sakhi. Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi. You have to remember only Nitya Sakhi and Pran Sakhi. 2 number and the number second and number third. Manjari Bhav. These all comes in Manjari Bhav. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Pran Presh Sakhi. In Sakhi Prakan. And now the Sakhi Prakan is 3 kinds of Sakhi. Now you have to remember a little bit. Radha Pakshi Sakhi and Ubhay Pakshi Sakhi. Radha Pakshi Sakhi. So now I am explaining the word. There are 5 kinds of Sakhis. I told you Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi. So in that, some are Krishna Paksha Sakhi, some who will take the side of Krishna, and the second is Radha Pakshi Sakhi, who are surrendering to Radha, and one kind of Ubhayanis. They are both sides from Radha and Krishna. They have the who have the love towards Krishna. They call Krishna Pakshi Sakhi. They love to Radha, but they always take the side of Krishna. They have the soft corner towards Krishna. That's why Krishna Pakshi. That's why it's called Krishna Pakshi Sakhi. Vrindarika. In all the Leela, Vrinda Devi is Krishna Pakshi Sakhi. That's why Vrinda Devi always trying to meet Radha Krishna, but still she is always taking the side of Krishna. She is in the side of Krishna. That's why it's saying Krishna Pakshi Sakhi. And who is Radha Pakshi Sakhi? And all the Manjaris. Manjaris are the Radha Pakshi Sakhi. 2 number 3. 2 number 3 number. Radha Nishta. They have the Radha Nishta. It's first is Krishna Nishta, Krishna Nikshapaki, and who has Nishtha towards Radharani, that is Radha Pakshi Sakhi. Who has Nishtha towards Radharani, that is Manjriya. Who has the one-pointed Radha Nishtha, unflinching faith towards in the lotus feet of Radha. Radha Nishtha, they cannot go anywhere except Radha. They cannot think even a dream that they can live somewhere except Radharani. So we cannot, Manjri cannot think in dream. I cannot imagine this. They cannot leave Radharani. Sometimes Radharani, for testing these kinds of Sakhis, okay, oh my God, Radharani. Sometimes Radharani tests these Sakhis, and what she do, she tries always to meet separately with Krishna and that Manjris. But that Manjri always denies that you are Radharani is our Swami. Ah, very nice. In Vrindavan Mahatma, it's explaining there. They have Ananya, Prem towards Radharani, unflinching faith towards Radharani, that they cannot think even in her dream that they can meet with Krishna separately. That is called Manjri Bhav. If you go there, पता चल जाएगा, then you will become Radharani. It is not easy to become Radha Manjari. They will test you. It's pakka sona, pure gold or not. They will make you in the fire, and then when you will crack, God Tapt Kanchan, then you will be a pure gold. Just like in the same way. So sometimes we think like that we become Manjari, but it's not possible. It's not easy. It sounds very good, but it's very hard. Rasgulla Manjari. If you go to somewhere, then so when you go to Radhakund, then all the people, they give you the name that you are this kind of Manjari, you are that kind of Manjari. One brahmachari used to live here, so he stayed sometimes here, and after some time, he stayed in Radhakund, and he always, there are kinds of story. There are all the time they speak like this Harikatha, that you have this Manjari and you have that Manjari. Leela or Manjari, just so how Manjaris are serving to Radha Krishna, and hearing that he got so much pleased, he got so much pleasure. So he took initiation from that Babaji, and one Babaji. Here he took the Diksha initiation from Gurudev, but he thought what is not happening here. Always he used to say that Jivan is Swarup Krishna Nityadas. We know that we are the servant of Krishna, but we want to know something new. Then he left here and went to Radhakund, and he heard all kinds of stories, that Manjari's Bhav, and he heard so many stories of Manjari Bhavs, how Manjari serves Radharani. So how they arrange the meeting of Radha Krishna, Nikunja. So they reveal the secrets of Nikunja Rahasya. So in hearing that, he got so much pleasure. So after that, what is that? He got the initiation from the Babaji from the Radha Kunda. So what happened? So when he got the initiation, he given the Swarup Lakshya, that you have this kind of Manjari, and he got the name. And now you have to do Mansik Seva. And Mahaprabhu said, Mahaprabhu ordered to Raghunath Das Goswami that you have to do Mansik Seva. Always remember Radha Krishna by your mind. Serve Radha Krishna by your mind. Mahaprabhu said himself to Raghunath Das Goswami, please serve Radha Krishna by your mind.
मने मने सिद्धदेव बढ़िया अपने सिद्धदेव की चिंतन करो
Okay, always think about your Siddhadev
और
and serve to Radha Krishna with your Siddhadev.
अपने लिए मंजरी समझो
Think yourself you are a Manjari
और करके
and then
सेवा
serve Radha Krishna. Mana Mane Siddha.
रात्रि दिन राधा कृष्ण
So he was serving day and night to Radha Krishna by his mind. So he got so much nicely things and he was started serving.
कैसे सखियां
So how Sakhis?
राम ने वो देखते गोवर्धन में जाओ
In Govardhan you went,
गोवर्धन मंदिर के पीछे है ना
behind the Govardhan temples, how Sakhiyas are used to dressed up like Sakhis. Have you seen the Shamrali's painting?
सखियों की सेवा
How it is written there that Sakhiyo ki seva, the serving of Sakhis.
इस तरह है सखियां ऐसे
How Sakhis,
कैसे स्नान आदि करते हैं
how Sakhis or Radhaji is taking bath, how Sakhis is taking bath after Snan, how we have to take dress, how we have to put up dresses.
अच्छा आपको हमको तो कहने काम शुरू तो गए
So now there is no Kam Krodh. We have not lost our Kam Krodh. Our Kam Krodh, then we have too much Kam Krodh and still we are serving Radharani in that mood, in the same mood. So if you serve Radharani in that case, so you will get Vikar in your heart or not? Yes, or especially we will got. There is no unanswerability. Kam, Krodh, Lobh. We are full of Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Mad, Matsya, Matsarya. But still we are serving in that mode of Radharani that we will get Vikar or not? Yes, definitely we will get. Then gradually what happened? He got so much Kam Bhavna in there, Kam Vikar in his mind. And what he did, and what he do, he got married with some lady, a lady. After some times, after 4 or 5 years, he came to here. So I asked him, what happened to you? That where have you been? So he explained all the story that I was in Radhakund and got married with some. I was this Manjari and that Manjari, and he told the whole story. So that's why it is saying, according to, if you don't have adhikar and if you think about all these things, that you will fall down. What? जैसे भावे, पता नहीं क्या महाराज जी बोले भावे लास्ट में. I just see. Okay, I will tell you later. If we don't get the adhikar, then if we go towards them, then we will commit offense. So what we have to take our adhikar. Without adhikar, if we yes, we will, there will be downfall if we do any kind of thing according with not according to our adhikar. Then if you are full of Kam Krodh, then how you can remember the Siddhadev? As I told you, that Manjari Bhav. Manjari's service is the topmost service. They have in the lonely place of Nikunjavan, they arrange everything for Radha Krishna, like the cloths and everything. bodily you are Purush or Stri, it doesn't matter.
भोक्ता अभिमान
You have to,
भोक्ता अभिमान
if you have the Bhokta Abhiman, then I am the enjoyer.
भोक्ता अभिमान
This is the Bhokta Abhiman you have. This is called Purush Abhiman.
एक नारी स्त्री है
If you have a body of a lady, if you have the Bhokta Abhiman that I am the enjoyer, that is called Purusha,
माने भोक्ता अभिमान
who has the enjoyment, sense of enjoyment.
जब तक हमारे हृदय में भोक्ता अभिमान
Till then we have this kind of Bhokta Abhiman, the sense of enjoyment.
आलोचना नहीं कर सकते
We cannot describe that.
सामान्य रूप में केवल
In the generally what we see,
निर्देशन किया जाता है तो आगे तो ये गहरे में जाना नहीं चाहिए
I don't want to go in deep, otherwise then we fall down. He will peep inside. Yes.
कुछ जरूर जाए कुछ नहीं झांक कर
Then he will always think about the lady.
और धीरे
And gradually what happened? He will got Vikar and Vibhav.
काम आदि
He
आगे
will got Kam Bhav.
उनके शिकायत
And all the things will be destroyed. And he cannot get
काम से जब
the victory on Kam. He cannot stay without Kam. And at last he will be trapped in the Maya and fall down.
इसे पता नहीं काम
And then the Patan, the,
बाबा जी सुनने की दोष नहीं कराते
we are not blaming to the Babaji Sampradaya, but it's true.
हमारे को महाराज
One of our Maharaj,
जनार्दन महाराज
Janardhan Maharaj,
राधा कुंड में जाकर
he went to Radha Kund.
बहुत सुंदर बंगला बजाने कर
He used to say in a beautiful Bangla language,
या आपने आसून हमारे संगे बसून
Yapan Asun, apne sange Bashun.
हमें आप लोग आइए
Hey, please come and think and talk to us.
राधा कुंड में जाकर को रघुनाथ दास दर्शन की जो
Samadhi.
समाधि
He went to go to the Radha Kund near the Samadhi of Raghunath Das Goswami. Our Janardhan Maharaj, he used to speak.
ये हम लोग आप लोग के विरोधी नहीं है
We are not against you, we are not blaming to you, you are not our enemy. But
আপনারা আসুন বিচার করুন
please think about that, please talk to us. He used to say like this, please come to us and let's talk to us so that we can heard your views and you can heard our views.
विचार करेंगे किससे पाइए चमत्कार विचार करना चाहिए
So you should think about, you should.
ये हमारे जनार्दन महाराज बिल्कुल वहीं पर जाकर के
So our Janardhan Maharaj, there is a Babaji Gaddi inside, there is a Bhajan Kuti from, so our Janardhan Maharaj used to speak that in the Radha Kund, in the Parkrama time, he used to say like this, please come and talk to us, please exchange some views so that we can hear you and you can hear us. We are not telling lie, we are telling according to the Shastra. So one of our brahmachari, he went to Radhakund, and then he got married, and after that he came here, so he told all the stories of his. Then he told everything, he was revealing everything. That how we can service in the Manjari Bhav. Is it your service? That your service? What is your service? And he told his name, that you have this name, or the Siddha Swarup name. Huh? What is your Swarup name? Usha. Usha Manjari. Sir, what is your service? Then you have to dress up Radha ji. This is your service. First you have to open the dress of Radha ji, and then when she go to take bath, when she comes up, then you have to put on the dress to her. This is your service. Then what you have to do? And I was thinking like that. I was thinking, and what he did, he was remembering all the pastime like this. That I am serving Radharani, Radharani is taking bath, and I am dressing her. And I got mind fickle minded, and all the vikar came in my mind. I got calm in my mind, and then I have left everything, and I got married. And now I am useless. My body is getting waste.
आप तो आराम से
You all are you all are gods. So this is true.
हम दूसरे को उदाहरण नहीं दे
We are not giving example. The brahmachari was living here, so he just tell the story. So I am just telling. That is true. If somebody is performing bhajan in sadhan and they are engaging in the words, so there is no problem. So do everything according to your adhikar.
क्योंकि जब तक हम काम क्रोध के वशीभूत ना करें
If we haven't got the victory on Kam Krodh or our vikars, so we cannot realize our Siddhadhe. It's not possible for us. That's why we cannot imagine the Manjari Bhav. First we have Anarth Nivrati, destroy our Anarth. Then spontaneously we will realize. That's why I am saying those are Manjari Radharani. They have the one-pointed Radharani Nishtha. Those are Manjaris. So, in the dream, they cannot think to meet Krishna separately. These are Manjaris. Then you will got it. So what I said first, Sakhi, Krishna Pakshi, Radha Pakshi, तीसरी उभय पक्षी, वो है राधा निष्ठा पक्षी, उभय निष्ठ, to have who have love for Radha Krishna both. That's Ubhay Pakshi. We will further discuss about this, why we have taken or why don't. I will tell about this. Sometimes you perform bhajan in sadhan. Perform bhajan in sadhan for 20 or 30 years. Then gradually you will come to know. You will get this kind of feeling. When you will get victory on Kam Krodh, any one day, you got that good day, please tell me this thing and that thing. I can explain, but it's not hard to. It's very hard to get in your heart. You will get so much enjoy when you heard it, but for digest it, it's very hard. If somebody is whose stomach is not going, so he will see the rasgulla kheer, so he will thus saliva comes from the mouth, but when he eat, then he cannot digest. That's why we are saying this kind of thing. I'm generally saying something to you. Radha Pakshi Sakhi, Krishna Pakshi Sakhi, and Ubhaynisht Sakhi. Ubhaynisht. Radha Nishtha. Radha Krishna Pakshi है. Radha Nishtha. Ubhaynisht. Ubhay. Swakya means who has married. Arth will be changed. Lalita Vishaka has the love towards both Radha and Krishna. Still, they have the more love towards Radharani. Still, Ubhay Pakshi. Still, they are Ubhay Pakshi because. So why they are? Because they cannot arise the questions. Please. According to Adhikar, you can hear. Okay, listening only one word. Listen only one word. Who have heard so many in last previous words, they can ask. Oh,
जो ये भी बात है,
whoever tried to ask the question, who knew?
वो प्रश्न करते हैं, या माने वो उत्तर जानते हैं, तो प्रश्न क्यों करते हैं वो?
Why they do the question? Just for the
That the लाली पूछे,
making that clear, they always ask the questions.
फिर तक
For Drinta, making that the confirmation.
ये नहीं वो जानते नहीं है, प्रश्न कर रहे हैं, ऐसे नहीं।
It is not that they don't know. They know, but they want
दृढ़ता के लिए
to confirm, then affirm all that
challenge
things.
नहीं।
That's why they always ask the questions. They are not challenging.
ये भी होता है, ये भी करना है। डॉक्टर लाली पूछे, साधु जवाहर
तुलसी पूजा
करना है। अभी तो आप देखिए कीर्तन, क्योंकि एक पर वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं।
Now here is explaining. Very beautiful stories there.
इसलिए सामान्य रूप में शाखा चंद्र के कल्पना की भांति
की पत्ती वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। जय श्री राधे। चलो
अंगीकार